where the International Student Office is located.
So let us give you a tour of the International Student Services located on the 4th floor.
Okay, let's go.